In this video tutorial, I would like to show how to perform the simulation of any circuit design using Cadence ADE-Explorer. For this video tutorial, I have considered a CMOS NAND gate with two inputs A and B, Y as the output. To use the ADE-Explorer option in Cadence Virtuoso, go to the launch. We have plenty of options. Here ADL is equal to ADE-Explorer, ADXL, ADGXL is equal to ADE-Assembler. Here I am going to show you how to use the option called ADE-Explorer. Click on it. It pops up a new window. Click on Create New View. Click OK. The view type has changed to Mastro. Click OK. This is the GUI for ADE-Explorer. This is similar to that of your ADEL window, like launch option, session, setup, analysis to choose, variables, outputs, simulation, results. So all the options are similar except this window or workspace. Already the design is loaded. Choose the analysis. I want to perform a transient analysis for a period of 100 nanosecond. Make it as moderate. Click OK. In the setup, check for the model libraries. Add the model libraries. I am using the 14 nanometer technology file. Click OK. I have loaded the design. That is the test setup, which is a 2-input NAND gate. This is the master view of the setup. Transient analysis for 100 nanosecond. Then we have an window here where you can load with the outputs. For plotting the outputs, you can either go to the add outputs, or you can go to the output, add output, and from here you can load the expression, signal, and various other options. Right now I am going to show you how to add the signal. Click here, click for browse or select from schematic, select A, and you can name here as A. One more time, select the signal. Again, load the signal for B. Call this as B. Again, so as many signals you want, you can load here. This time you select the output Y. That is to be plotted. Call it as Y. But before, if you observe this schematic, we haven't provided anything as input. They are just pin names. To use this, you can go to the option called Stimuli. That is, go to the option called Setup. From here, you can load the inputs by clicking on this, or you have the option here, Stimuli. Click on it. You can define the input stimuli here. A is an input here, which is a pulse. Enable it. Provide the pulse input 0 to 1, period of 20 nanoseconds, pulse width of 10 nano, rise time of 0.1 nano. Similarly, it is enabled. Observe that it is enabled. Similarly for B input. Click on enable, choose pulse from here. Define the pulse source. Period of the pulse is 40 nano. Pulse is 20 nano. 0.1 nano rise time and fall time. Click on apply. It is enabled. Define the VDD, which is a DC source. Enable it. DC voltage of 1. Apply. Click on ground. It is also a source. Click on DC. Enable. Provide the input as 0. Click apply. All the 4 stimuli are applied. Click OK. And already the outputs to be plotted are also loaded in the ADE-Explorer view. It mainly consists of design setup, analysis loaded, and input output waveform. It is similar to that of your ADEL window. Here you can click on run simulation. There we have used it as netlist and run. Here we can use just run simulation. So these are the results for a typical NAND gate. So in this way, you can perform the simulation of any circuit design by using the ADE-Explorer window. You can load as many designs you want. For that case, you need to go to the checkout. This is called checkout, so that it loads the ADE assembler. In the assembler, you can load as many test designs you want to use.